We are 65 right now, which you look at that number by itself and you're like, hallelujah, it's feeling nice out there. But you factor in the humidity, 87%, and it's a little bit muggy. Really, we're not seeing very much. Few showers down here southwest of Lubbock. I want to show you in depth just how rough the streets are this morning. A bit of walking and talking going on here. Clouds do increase. That's going to signal some bigger changes. And just because an area appears to be okay, again, doesn't mean it is. Case in point below me right here. Did you see the icon on my 7-day?
No,
the
I
little
didn't.
leprechaun?
Oh no,
You're gonna have to watch that next time. That says St. Patrick's Day right there. As we see it, you're also seeing it at home, and really it's about what we don't see this morning. It's hard to distinguish lanes, not only lanes, but also driveways into businesses, where the curbs are. So you factor the cool temperatures in with the light breeze, you're gonna get a little bit of a wind chill. 45, that's what it feels like heading out the door. Nothing going on locally. It's picking up those few showers in eastern New Mexico. Watch what happens here over the next couple of hours. Also a change from earlier when we looked at this same forecast model. It keeps us mostly dry. So lunchtime, go outside, get outside, enjoy it. Especially in March. I mean, this is a time of year where the wind machine gets cranky. Not today, though. We're dealing with lighter winds in yesterday.
We couldn't ask for better weather.
I know. Does that mean I get the credit?
Yes.
I think that means I get the credit. Okay, well, I'm going to take it either way. Today, temperature this afternoon, 87 degrees. 1,000 pounds of fish, hundreds of people. I have your first alert forecast live from Vamos a Pescar. There's a thunderstorm right there. You can see maybe a little bit of that cloud line. Not sure how good your TV screen is at home, but it is there. You can see rain underneath it. There's the anvil and some building clouds on the backside. It's not a bad morning, okay? You will need a light jacket, yes. Winds light, temperatures cool. Here's some good news, on our way to 80 degrees. So that's what we're watching. Still some energy out to our west. Does that energy interact with this afternoon's heat and some leftover moisture? It could. So that's why we're going to keep that slight chance for showers in the forecast. It's a kind of story that's awesome, but it also makes you laugh because it's just hilarious. An old man makes sweaters for penguins. And I don't know if it's Australia or New Zealand, but is that not hilarious? Today, the first day of school, not only marks the beginning of new learning, also the beginning of busy times. A great way to stay ahead of the forecast is the new and improved free-to-download KCBD mobile weather app. Of course, you have your hour-by-hour forecast. Also, if you are on the go, KCBD News Channel 11 at noon, look, there I am. We record our forecast and we stream live. So Sharon, whether storms develop or not, or the temperatures are cold or hot, the forecast, it's always in the palm of your hand. But we are tracking big changes in your forecast. Cool, cold, whatever you want to call it. Changes are coming. Breaking it down hour by hour. Early risers. I know there's probably a few of you watching this evening. Hopefully you're already asleep, but if not, 4, 5, 6. I think the forecast is okay. Temperatures in the 70s. Still a little muggy. And then I think after that time period, we're going to lose some of the humidity. We're going to lose the mild temperatures when that cold front blows through. And we're going to see the wind switch from south to north. That north wind is going to drop temperatures into the 60s, bring a chance for showers back into the forecast. Of course, it's a slight chance, but with gusty winds, some clouds, a chance for showers, and those cooler temperatures, it's going to be a much different Sunday morning compared to Saturday morning, what we had this morning. So tracking it out hour by hour, basically where we left off just there, we're going to start with the cold front over the city of Lubbock. Notice this little time scale up here, 6:30 in the morning now, 6:30, 6:45, 7:15. It doesn't make a huge difference. It's going to be quite breezy behind it out of the north and a little bit of a muggy breeze out of the south ahead of the cold front, and it'll be moving south rather quickly. So by noon tomorrow, lunch hour, quite a bit different than what it has been for the past couple of weeks. You're going to need to hold on your food a little bit. Winds sustained 10, 15, 20 miles per hour, gusts 30, 35, top in 40. And I think those gusts are going to stay up here across the northwestern South Plains. City of Lubbock, 25, maybe 30 mile per hour gusts. Maybe just enough to loft some blowing dust out there, but not expecting a widespread wind event. Power outages, no significant blowing dust, nothing like that. But you will feel that breeze, and it'll shift more to the east by about 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. So 4 o'clock tomorrow, we're tracking temperatures in the 70s and the 80s, a lighter easterly breeze and plenty of cloud cover. So it's going to feel a world different tomorrow compared to what it did today. We're talking 65 in the morning. Keep in mind we were 96 officially today at Lubbock Preston Smith. So that's a good 31-degree drop behind our cold front. 67 in Turkey, 70 Childress. You guys down here, southern South Plains, rolling plains, you're going to be one of the last areas to be affected by the cold front, keeping some warmer air, holding on to some of that mugginess. Southern areas, of course, coolest where the cold front arrives first. Upper 50s. Factor in that breeze. It's going to feel like the lower 50s tomorrow morning, possibly in a few areas. Clovis Clovis, Palmer County. I'm talking about you guys up there. And high temperatures tomorrow, not a big difference from where they were lows. Yeah, maybe 15, 20 degree rise, but not a huge jump in temperatures. It's still going to be quite cool. 84 compared to average and compared to what we have been seeing. Again, 83 in Lubbock tomorrow, upper 70s on the northwestern South Plains. And a quick check of your 7-day forecast. Again, rain chances Sunday. Also want to talk about first day of school Monday. We are tracking a very slight chance for rain hour by hour. Morning showers possible. Brief break for lunchtime. Out of school afternoon, Shaylee. Chance for showers back in the forecast.
Okay, thanks so much.
Out here to celebrate, out here to have a great time. And you brought little Diego. Does he have anything to say? No, he's a little quiet. He's saving the energy for the parade. Water's receding, rain not falling in Lubbock, but we have a lot of other things going on out here. We have the fair kicking off tomorrow, Buck a Ride. We also have the barbecue tomorrow. Something I didn't know, it starts tomorrow for the public, but you guys are going to be out here all night. This is Miguel, one of many teams out here braving the elements, rain, sleet, or snow. Not your first experience with the weather.
No.
How do you adjust what you do to make prize-winning barbecue, rain, sleet, snow, whatever Mother Nature gives us? TxDOT vehicles this morning treating those roadways, not only getting rid of ice that's already there, but also prepping for what's coming. Steve's been talking about that. Already a little bit of freezing drizzle out here this morning. Road conditions, I'd call it okay on these well-traveled surfaces. You get in the neighborhoods though, and it's still touch and go. Cash and Kinsey, guys, you've explored this entire place. Tell me what your favorite part is.
Probably going to see Santa.
Santa himself, the big man. Now, is Mrs. Claus here too? I'm live here with Earl Bratcher. You are the assistant chairman of the ABC Pro Rodeo. Earl, tell me, first of all, how you best suggest people get here this evening, and then a little bit about the events going on tonight.